In this video, we will compare Notion versus Noteplan. Notion is a highly flexible and customizable all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management and databases. It allows users to create everything from simple notes to complex workflows by structuring information in pages, subpages and databases. Notion is versatile. One of its key strengths is offering templates for everything, from personal journals to project management. It's perfect for those who enjoy customizing their workflows, whether for personal organisation or team collaboration. One of the standout features is the ability to link pages, making it a powerful tool for building interconnected knowledge bases. Notion's rich media support allows users to embed images, videos and files directly into their note, making it a rich platform. While it's incredibly powerful, some users find the learning curve very steep, especially when trying full leverage its database. Additionally, Notion excels at syncing devices and collaborating with teams, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. Noteplan is a versatile productivity tool that combines note-taking with task management, calendar integration and daily planning. It operates on a system inspired by the bullet journal method, allowing users to manage tasks, project tasks, and even schedule events in a streamlined and organised way. One of Noteplan's key strengths is its flexibility. Users can structure their notes in daily or weekly or monthly views and directly link them to specific tasks on their calendar. It's built for individuals who appreciate having a cohesive workflow that merges tasks and notes all in one place. The app also includes Markdown support, enabling rich text formatting, and its very powerful search functionality, allowing for quick reveal of your notes. The overall experience is centered around organizational and productivity, making it ideal for those who want to be efficient. In summary, Notion is best suited for those who want highly flexible, customizable workspaces that can be accommodated for everybody's needs. On the other hand, Noteplan excels for individuals who need a straightforward task-focused app that integrates with note-taking with calendar and task management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.